Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MVIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day of lower lows and lower highs. Granted, there was a nice little bounce here, but we'll see if this is any sort of genuine bounce or not. But updates definitely need to be made. Going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. It served its purpose for now. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 1185 going into the day was that area of resistance, of support. But when it was broken right there, you would expect it to act as resistance, which basically played out here. Because during this big bounce here, sure, I mean, the price didn't hit that red line exactly, but it definitely got within the general area of it. And ultimately, the price did pull back from it. Now, it's not like the price crashed or anything after getting up near that area, but it does bring about the big question mark going forward. It's okay, yeah, nice little bounce. It's trying to consolidate out. If the price does give it another go, is this time going to be the time where it actually has enough strength to push up and break up through 1185? So that is going to be a very highly watched level, and rightfully so. It should have acted as resistance. It did act as resistance, and now people are going to, be wondering, especially those breakout players, is it going to continue to act as resistance, or is the price going to actually be able to break up through there, which could create additional buying pressure? If the price does push up through that level, next key area of resistance to then watch would be that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average currently valued at $12.50. In terms of levels of support, first key level in the very near term is going to be the bottom part of this little consolidation area right there at the $11 mark. But if 11 fails, then the next key level after that is just simply the question of where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that bleeding finally stopped down there at $10.50. So keep your eye on these levels moving forward, and let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.